Welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting up UbiOps client libraries so that you can create, update, and manage your deployments right from Jupyter Notebooks. Whether you're new to UbiOps or just looking for a refresher, this video will get you up and running in no time. Let's get started. The UbiOps client library allows you to create, update, and manage deployments directly from Jupyter Notebooks. But that's not all. These libraries can be integrated into your business processes or even used within a deployment for greater flexibility. In this video, we'll walk you through the Quickstart guide available on UbiOps' GitHub repository, so you can follow along step by step. The link is in the description below. Here's what we're going to cover today: creating a deployment and code environment, creating a request, fetching information about a request. By the end of this tutorial, you should have a basic understanding of how to manage your deployments in UbiOps from an IDE. Alright, let's get to it. The first thing we're going to want to do is install the UbiOps client library. To do that, open a notebook, then run the following command. We're working in a fresh environment, so we're also installing pandas. You should probably also set your working directory. Now let's download the necessary deployment and data packages for this tutorial. Copy and paste these commands into your terminal to get the deployment package and sample images. You can also download this whole notebook from our GitHub. Now let's set up our UbiOps client. Make sure to replace your API token with your actual API token. If you haven't created one already, head over to the Permissions tab in the web app to create one. Then we use the Configuration, API Client, and core API methods from the UbiOps package to configure the client. We can also check the service status with the service status method while we're at it. With a client set up, we can now manage our project from a notebook. Let's go ahead and create a deployment and a dedicated environment. We start by creating a template with all the necessary information about our deployment. Then, we create the deployment in our UbiOps project. We use the same process to create an environment. Next, we need to upload the environment package that contains the requirements and dependencies for our deployment. UbiOps will get straight to work building the environment. You can check its progress like so. Once that's done, we can create a template for our deployment version, where we specify the environment to run in, the instance type to use, idle times, etc. Then, create the version and upload the deployment package as a revision. You can also monitor build progress for this step with a wait for revision build method from the utils module of the UbiOps package. Once your deployment is live, you can start making requests. We'll use this code to loop through a few image files. For each file, we display the image, upload it to UbiOps, feed it to our deployment, and get the results back. To do all that, we're using the upload file method from the utils module, as well as the deployment version requests create method from the UbiOps package. Looks like our model did a pretty good job. With the deployment version requests list and deployment version requests get methods from the UbiOps client library, you can pull the full list of requests made to your deployment and get granular information about each request. You can also delete objects like deployments and environments with the deployments delete and environments delete methods. And when you're done, use the close method to close the connection with the UbiOps API client. And that's it for this UbiOps Client Library's Quick Start. For more information on the UbiOps Client Library, head over to our documentation page. Have questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.